Next up is how do we change values in a list versus a dictionary? So I put them both on one screen here, but for a list, again, we are going to, if we wanted to change banana, I'm going to use index 2 because we have 0, 1, 2. So AR fruit 2 equals watermelon. So it's basically like we're assigning that variable as if it's its own variable. It's a slot in a you can think of it like a bento box with different, cafeteria tray, a hungry man, frozen meal, whatever you want, whatever does it for you, really. But we're addressing that slot 0, 1, 2, and we're saying let's put this in that spot. And now when we print the array, it's going to have the new thing in it. And it doesn't have to be a string. If I wanted to replace banana with a list or replace it with an int or a float, I can do whatever I want. It's completely mutable and it doesn't care what's there. It will just hold it for you. Okay, so dictionary, similar, right? Again, or if we wanted to change Bob to Bill, we're going to use the name key. So it's D employee name equals Bill. And now it becomes something else. So in code, let's just make sure we got this locked in here. So if I want to say D employee name equals Bill, just like that. I don't need to print it because I just set it. And now you can see that I printed it. Now if I print that again before I change it, so I print it, change it, and then print it again, you can see it just changes that slot, but it's really easy to just address that specific spot. A lot of times that's actually simpler than using the fruit or the array method. So we've got our fruit array. Kiwi, that's a good short fruit name. Who wants to type watermelon, really? Not me. Okay, so there's our fruit. So if I say li fruit and then put 0 equals grapes, and then I print that. Okay, so there is my altered array. So that's pretty easy, but you have to know which index you want to change.